Kung iaso mo yung time para maging architect ka here in the Philippines, it would take you, estimate lang is, Hello! Welcome to Archimet. Pangarap mo ba maging isang arkitekto dito sa Pilipinas? Today, we will be discussing the steps on how to become a registered and licensed architect here in the Philippines. But before anything else, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also click the notification bell on the side para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng mga vlogs na ilalabas ng channel na ito. I am Jensis Gallardo Samson and I am a registered and licensed architect here in the Philippines. I passed and took the board exams last January 2018. Ano nga ba o sino nga ba ang isang arkitekto? Dito sa National Building Code na book nito, merong RA 9266. Basahin ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng architect. Architect means a person professionally and academically qualified, registered and licensed under this act with a certificate of registration and professional identification card issued by the Professional Regulatory Board of Architecture and the Professional Regulation Commission, and who is responsible for advocating the fair and sustainable development, welfare, and cultural expression of the society's habitat in terms of space, forms, and historical context. So basically, the architect is the hired consultant of the client. Sila yung hinahire para mag-design ng structures based sa needs ng client. For more explanation, check out my next vlog. The first step to take for you to become an architect here in the Philippines is to take entrance exams in schools and colleges and universities kung saan merong architecture na course. For example, in my case, I took 3 entrance exams sa Mapua, sa UST, and also sa DLS-CSB or De La Salle College of St. Benil. Lahat ng yon, nag-take ako ng architecture exams doon sa schools na yon. And napansin ko sa pag-take ko doon, meron silang drawing exam para sa architecture na course. Praise God! Nakapasa po ako sa 3 schools na yun, sa Mapua, sa UST, and sa DLS-CSB. Second step is to choose the right school or the best school for you. Bakit ko sinabing right school? Bakit ko sinabing best school? Kasi bawat schools meron yang strengths and weaknesses. Kaya kailangan mong piliin at suriin maigi kung saan ka mag-aaral for 5 years yan, guys. Kaya kailangan yung mag-choose wisely kung saan nyo i-dedicate yung time nyo, yung money nyo, yung resources nyo para mag-study ng architecture. And in my case, ang pinili ko is De La Salle College of St. Benil. Why? First, location. Malapit lang kasi sa amin eh. Mas malapit yung DLS-CSB compared dun sa dalawa. Makakapag-save ako ng time, and yung time na yun is very important in taking architecture course. Pwede mo kasing i-spend yung time mo in paggawa ng plates, paggawa ng homeworks, in research, and anything else na makakatulong pa sa'yo in architecture. Next, kaya ako napili yung DLS-CSB kasi very fresh yung take nila sa architecture kasi bago lang sila nung nag-enroll ako dun eh, second batch kami. Very new and fresh yung way of teaching nila ng architecture, lalong-lalo na sa design and sa theory. Magaganda yung concepts and also nasi-steer away ka from traditional teaching ng architecture. Third step is to take up BS Architecture in your chosen school. BS Architecture is a 5-year course. Pero sa akin, sa DLS-CSB, 4 years and 2 terms lang siya matitake. So, malilesen siya ng almost 1 sem or 1 term in taking up BS Architecture, kailangan mong paghandaan dyan is yung design subjects, yung mga math and engineering subjects, and also other courses or subjects na nakapaloob sa BS Architecture na curriculum. I-explain ko yan, nagawa ko ng vlog about that. Fourth step is to take a 2-year apprenticeship experience. Hindi lang basta-basta ang experience, guys, ha. Kailangan dyan, experience mo sa isang architectural firm, design firm, or design and build firm, o kahit na ano pang firm pa yan ng architecture, basta meron kang architect mentor. This is very, very important, guys. You should take this seriously. Kasi ito yung magde-determine ng experience mo para mas madali kang makasagot ng mga question para sa board exam. Yung 2 years experience na ito. Kaya kailangan magsumikap ka, mag-apply sa iba't ibang firms na merong magaganda yung record or magagandang program para sa apprenticeship. Huwag mo munang tignan yung sasahurin mo. Ang tignan mo is yung matututunan mo sa firm na yun. Fifth step is after mong mag-gain yung 2-year experience mo with your architect mentor is to have yourself enrolled in a review center or you can self-review. This is for the preparation para sa board exam. Tinake ko kasi is yung review center Nag-review ako for almost 6 months. But before reviewing for 6 months, habang nag-experience ako sa aking apprenticeship, after kong umuwi galing work, sa self-review na ako ng mga subjects for the boards para makagain ako ng confidence na marami rin akong naaral beforehand pa ng review. The sixth step is to take the architecture licensure exam. Bago ka pa makapag-ALE, may mga requirements si PRC, may mga requirements si Board of Architecture na kailangan mong i-process muna. At hindi siya basta-basta, guys. So, kailangan mong i-accomplish yung logbook, kailangan mong asikasuhin yung process ni PRC sa pag-apply for the board exam. Actually, the board exam, yun talaga yung mga pag-determine sa'yo kung magiging professional and licensed architect ka na. Kasi kapag di mo yun mapass, hindi ka mariregistered as a professional architect dito sa Philippines. Hindi mo matatawag na sarili mo na architect ka kung hindi ka makapass ng board exam. Step na ito is the make it or break it decision para sa isang person na gusto maging architect. Pero okay lang, guys, kung hindi ka makapag-pass ng board exam on your first day. Marami pa namang time and only pa rin yung pag-take ng board exams. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng proper time management and proper review pa. Siguro hindi pa will ng Lord sa'yo, no? Kung hindi ka pa makapag-pass ng board exam. Try lang ng try until you achieve it, until you call yourself a professional and licensed architect here in the Philippines. Finally, the seventh step is after passing, take note, after passing the board exam, ay makapag-oath taking ka na and makapag-register ka na sa gusto mong chapter, UAP or United Architects of the Philippines chapter. This is it, guys. After passing the board exam, it's your oath taking. At kapag nakatungtong ka na sa step na to, I'd like to congratulate you. Congratulations, because you are now a professional, registered, and licensed architect. Yun yung mga 7 steps para maging architect ka. And if you're watching this video because you want to become one, I encourage you, kaya mo yan. Mahirap, nakakapagod, nakakapuyat, nakaka-stress, pero when you become an RLA here in the Philippines, it's so fulfilling and nakaka-proud. Kung iaso mo yung time para maging architect ka here in the Philippines, it would take you, estimate lang is 8 years para maging architect ka dito sa Philippines. So, kung ikaw isang architect, saludo ako sa'yo. That's it! Those are the 7 steps on how to become a professional, registered, and licensed architect here in the Philippines. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to Arkinesis Vlogs for more architecture-related vlogs and also lifestyle vlogs as well. Always remember Matthew 6:33, seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all of these things shall be added unto you. See you next time. Bye!